How fast can you assemble a desktop PC? I've watched the team over at PC World's labs do 2 in 3 hours, but I don't think I've ever done one in under 4. But Newegg and Intel teamed up to hold a race at MegaCon in Orlando. The winning time? Just a hair under 4 minutes and 10 seconds. The exact parameters of the race aren't clear. It looks like you just had to get it in the case, powered up and booting, possibly with the CPU and cooler already installed. Even so, it's an impressive feat, and the winner's got a Newegg gift card and some sweet Intel components, like the new B580 graphics card. Maybe it's worth exercising those screwdriver fingers after all. For more on the latest PC hardware news, check out PCWorld.com.